As an obstetrician, taking care of women through their journey of pregnancy and childbirth, I am at a vantage point to see how, when a baby is born either too small or when a baby is born too soon, preterm, the devastating impact that it can have on the physical and mental health of a woman. The most important message that I would like to give to women is that they need to prepare themselves well for a pregnancy. They have to optimize their health prior to getting pregnant. The healthier you are when you're getting pregnant, the less likely is your pregnancy to be complicated. When a baby is born too soon, that is preterm, or when a baby is born too small, that is growth restricted, the baby is handed over to the neonatologist. And I have full confidence in our neonatal team that they'll do a great job looking after these babies born too small or too soon. But that doesn't negate the anxiety that parents go through when these babies are born too small or too soon. And from our point of view as obstetricians, in this partnership that we have with neonatologists, we work very hard to put into place measures which prevent preterm birth, which starts from the general lifestyle of a pregnant woman, and in some women who are at a higher risk of having preterm birth, some medications or surgical procedures which will reduce the likelihood of a baby being born too soon. When preterm birth is imminent, we as obstetricians work very hard to put into place certain measures like giving antenatal corticosteroids to the mother, infusions of magnesium sulfate to protect the brain of the baby, antibiotics where indicated, so that the neonatologists have a better baby to work with and the outcomes improve. They spend less time in the neonatal care unit and come out healthier when we practice all these measures.